One day, a boy named Raju walked into the jungle. He had a funny secret. Whenever he sneezed, magic happened. Achoo! Flowers grew everywhere. Achoo! Achoo! Bananas rained from the sky. Achoo! 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 All the animals started dancing. The monkeys wore flower hats, the elephant danced ballet, and the lion tried breakdancing. The whole jungle became a party. Raju laughed and said, "Wow, my sneezes make everyone happy." From then on, the animals called him the magical sneezing boy. And that's how Raju brought joy to the jungle with his magical sneezes.